Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Savvy Tech Grandma. Today, we're talking about something that sounds very technical, but is actually quite useful for everyday computer users, VPNs. If you've ever wondered what a VPN is, whether you need one, and how to set one up on Windows or Mac, then this video is for you. What is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A VPN hides your real IP address and replaces it with one from the VPN server. This makes it harder for websites, advertisers, and even your internet service provider to track what you are doing online. Think of it like putting your internet connection inside a secure tunnel. The information going through that tunnel is encrypted, making it much more difficult for others to see your online activity. Let's talk about some of the biggest benefits. It makes secure public Wi-Fis more secure. If you're using a Wi-Fi at the library, a coffee shop, a hotel, or an airport, a VPN helps secure that connection by encrypting your data. A VPN can help prevent your internet service provider from monitoring your browsing habits. ISPs are often allowed to collect anonymous usage data and share or sell that information to advertising networks. A VPN helps prevent websites and services from determining your actual location by showing the location of the VPN server instead. Some internet providers may slow down or throttle your connection when you're using a lot of bandwidth for things like streaming videos or online gaming. A VPN can sometimes help reduce this type of throttling. If you're traveling outside the United States and need to access sensitive accounts that expect you to be in the United States, connecting through a US-based VPN server can often help. Alternatively, some content is restricted based on location. By connecting to a VPN server in another country, you may be able to access content available there. A VPN can reduce some forms of advertising tracking, although it won't eliminate all tracking. Before installing and setting up a VPN, open your web browser and visit whatismyipaddress.com or ipleak.net. When you go there, your IP address will be displayed. Take a screenshot of the IP address or write down that information. We'll use that information later to verify that the VPN is working properly. And there are three types of VPNs. Consumer VPNs. These are designed for everyday users and are generally the easiest to set up. Self-hosted VPNs are for people who are more comfortable managing their own servers and networking equipment. And then there are corporate VPNs. Those are typically used by businesses to allow employees to securely access company resources remotely. For most people watching this channel, a consumer VPN is going to be the best choice. If you're new to VPNs and want something that balances security, privacy, and ease of use, my top recommendation is Proton VPN. Here's why. It has simple apps for Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android. It has a strong privacy reputation. It's independent. There's no log audits. It's based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws. Includes features like kill switch and DNS leak protection. It offers a legitimate free tier so you can try it before paying. It is less marketing heavy than some of the competitors. For most people, setup is incredibly simple. You just install the app, sign up and sign in, click Quick Connect, and you're protected. If you've been hearing terms like kill switches, leak testing, and privacy protection, but don't want to spend hours learning networking concept, Proton VPN is an excellent place to start. If you want the simplest experience, consider ExpressVPN. It's frequently praised for having one of the easiest setup experiences and most user-friendly interfaces available. So here is an important warning. A VPN is an excellent privacy tool, but is not a magic shield. It will not stop you from downloading malware. It will not protect you if you willingly enter your password into a fake phishing website. It will not make you completely anonymous online. For complete protection, you still need good antivirus software, strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and smart online habits. Also keep in mind that VPN providers can potentially see the traffic unless they maintain strict no-logs policies. And depending on the service, your internet speed may be slightly slower because your traffic is being encrypted and routed through another server. Personally, I've experienced slowdown years ago, but recently I haven't noticed much of a difference when on VPN. Here are some examples of commercial VPN services and approximate pricing. The Proton VPN that I recommended earlier is about $83.88 annually. NordVPN about $29.99 annually. Mullvad is $33 every 6 months. ExpressVPN $99.99 annually. Now, I have Malwarebytes for my anti-malware software, and it includes a VPN component within the malware software, and it's about $39.99 annually. Other antivirus products may also include VPN services as part of their subscriptions, so check what you already have before you purchase something new. There will be links in the descriptions if you'd like to learn more about any of these options. Also remember that many VPN companies offer introductory discounts to encourage new customers to try their services. Mozilla has a free VPN built into the Firefox browser. The free browser VPN masks your IP addresses only for Firefox browser traffic. It includes 50 gigabytes of free browsing data each month, region selection, the ability to enable or disable protection for specific sites, and it requires only a free Mozilla account. Mozilla also offers a full device VPN service. Its features include protection for up to 5 devices, no bandwidth limits, technology powered by Mullvad, strict no-logs policy, browser integration through Firefox, and the cost of that is $4.99 a month. So after you've decided on and installed your VPN, with your VPN connection on, again visit whatismyipaddress.com or ipleak.net. Verify that the IP address displayed this time reflects the VPN server location instead of your own IP address. There are also native VPN options within the Windows and Mac operating systems. I will have articles with specific setup for those on the Savvy Tech Grandma website. The links will be in the descriptions. So today we learned that a VPN hides your IP address and helps create a more secure and private internet connection. If you're looking for a personal VPN, I recommend starting with one of the commercial VPN providers we discussed earlier. If you need a VPN to connect to a workplace, school, or other remote network, your network administrator should provide the connection information you need. Then you can follow the built-in setup for Windows or Mac on the Savvy Tech Grandma website. This is Savvy Tech Grandma. Don't forget to check out the description below for links to any of these VPN options that might interest you. There will also be a text-based version of this information available on SavvyTechGrandma.com, along with lots of other helpful and easy-to-understand technology information. And wouldn't you know it, Savvy Tech Grandma also has a crafty side. While you're visiting the website, click around and see what fun art and crafts she's been up to lately. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.